Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Baratza Virtuoso grinder with us, and pretty much what had happened. Let's see if I have the original burrs here. This is your top burr, and as you can see, the casing broke in half, probably after a lot of usage, just normal wear and tear, probably just broke in half. We also, while replacing the top burr, we replaced the cone burr, which is at the bottom also, which means we had to open the whole machine up, and so we replaced that also. So now we're going to test the functions of the grinder. We're going to start with a fine setting. We're going to start grinding here. Also, when I was inside of the machine, and I took the chassis out, there was a lot of coffee buildup just inside of the machine in general. Coffee, when being ground, gets through all the nooks and crannies, so I did brush as much as I can out. But here is that fine setting. As you can see, very, very fine. These are brand new burrs, so it's looking good. We're also going to jump it to 20. Again, when you're calibrating your grinder, do not go from 40 straight to 5 or something like that. It won't grind. You have to go slowly through the settings. But here's this one. Again, more coarser. Now we're going to do the coarser setting at 40. And it's okay to go from 5 to 40 because if you imagine the burrs, when you go from 5 to 40, you're just opening them more. But when you're going from 40 down to 5, you're pushing them back together. And the problem with that is if you had grounded coffee already in there, there's already coffee, so you're pushing the burrs together with coffee in the middle, so you don't want to do that. But when you're making it more coarser, it's safer. So I'm going to let all that grind out. And as you can see, very, very coarse. Very, very coarse coffee. But yeah, that's everything with this grinder. If you like this repair or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.